Gates open, they're up and racing. Pride of Cabanela draws for your lead. Lovable Princess is running in second. Then comes Swab Tiger moving up in between runners Ian's Melody. And running second last is entry number 3, and that's Goldation, while number 4, His Majesty's bringing up the rear. Rounding at the last 600, two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Pride of Cabanela leading such a neck by the release. Lovable Princess as they turn for home. Pride of Cabanela, Lovable Princess by the rail, racing in third is entry number 6, and that's Pass Forward. With the last 200 meters more to run, Pride of Cabanela, Lovable Princess is by the rail. It's still Pride of Cabanela, Lovable Princess remains in second, and leading the finish line, it's Pride of Cabanela winning this race over Lovable Princess. Then comes number 6, Pass Forward, Swab Tiger. And number 2, Ian's Melody for your Penta.